Alright guys, just wanted to make a quick video here. I've been doing this law of attraction thing about winning the lottery, and I just started out, and of course it's pretty hard. Right now I'm still not used to the fact, like, okay, I haven't fully dived into the concept of winning the lottery, right? And I've won just, so far. I think this one is a $10 ticket. This is maybe nothing. What's so funny about this is that, I was like, all right, I'm gonna win $20 million. I told myself I'm gonna win $20 million. And what's so funny is, like, I was like, all right, maybe it's not gonna happen. But the fact is, I won $2, right? It's still, like, it's not 20 million. But the fact is that what's so funny is every time I play this scratch off. Before, I didn't play that much before, but I'll never win. But I always told myself I'm always gonna win something, and I always do. That's what's so crazy about this, is this, like, law of attraction you can apply to lotteries, and you kind of have to kind of sense it. But I got these at a place that I don't usually go to, and I knew in my mind that I was supposed to go to the place that I always go to. But this time I was in a rush, I had to go somewhere. But the fact is that even though that I told myself I'm always gonna win something, and I always do. But this time I'm trying to manifest $50,000 from a scratch off and 20 million from the Mega Millions. So we'll see how it goes. Right now right now it's 35 million right now. But yeah, I just thought it was just so funny. And I'm so grateful. Even if it's $2, guys, even if it's $2, you have to be extremely grateful. I am extremely grateful for this money. Of course I lost money. This cost me $20. This cost me $20, $40. So I made $12 back, and I lost about $30. But I'm extremely grateful. I'm grateful for the universe. I'm grateful for $12. I think I won $10 on this. Yeah, I won $10 on this. But I'm grateful for the universe for giving me $12, right? And the universe doesn't know the same frequency is applied on 1 penny, right? And $1, $2, and same frequency you get from $1 million, okay? So you just have to be grateful, guys. That's the key. That's the key. Gratefulness. Being grateful for anything the universe gives you, because universe will continue to try to match that frequency with you. You have a grateful mindset, you will also, and money has a grateful frequency. Those two frequencies are trying to match. But alright guys, just want to make this quick video. I just thought it was just so funny, and it's so funny I won this $2. I was just like, wow, this is just so awesome. But it's because it's funny, because I've been, like, telling universe, alright universe, I want to test you out. Just let me see this car in this specific way. And the universe didn't give it to me in a specific way, but it was very, very similar, right? It just shows, like, I'm making tremendous progress, but I'm not there yet. Like this, I'm trying to manifest $20 million, even though it sounds crazy. $20 million, and I know I'm gonna win it. I know I'm gonna win it from the Mega Millions, and I know I'm gonna get $50,000 from the Set for Life one. So. But just wanted to make this video out there, and but it's just the beginning. It's the beginning. I've been getting a lot of angel numbers, a lot of 555s. So there's that. But alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe. I pretty much got no subscribers, but I know I'm gonna reach 1 million subscribers. Yep, that's what you hear from here first. 1 million subscribers. Alright, peace out guys.